With every new year comes the determination to begin workout. Perhaps even you made a promise to add extra exercise into your day. If your efforts at exercising aren't going in addition to you had planned, test those hints. They may assist get you back heading in the right direction. Tip number 1, do something. You experience. Exercise doesn't have to imply spending hours on the gym, pedaling away on a desk-bound bike. It doesn't suggest you need to spend money on exercising gadgets you will possibly never use either. Something you do to get your frame moving goes to be better than doing not anything. On foot is an easy exercising that you may do just about everywhere, in any climate. Motorcycle driving, dancing, gardening, weightlifting, swimming, gambling, a favorite game, residence cleansing, and even gambling within the backyard, together with your children, are simply a number of the approaches you could add workout into your day-by-day habitual. Tip number 2, agenda time for exercise. As you would assembly or a medical doctor appointment, every so often the only manner to make time to work out is to place it on your each day agenda. We've all got busy lives, and we're often so busy looking after others that we by no means seem to make time for ourselves. As soon as workout will become part of your daily to-do list, you're much more likely to do it. Some people have simplest a sure time in the course of the day available for workout, even as others will need to arrange the time each day. A few people need a nudge, and for them, exercise with a friend is a great solution. Pick whichever way works fine for you. Just take into account to without a doubt cross and do it. Tip number 3, keep in mind that exercise can energize. Despite the fact that you might feel too tired to work out, provide it a try besides. You is probably surprised to discover how energized you feel while you're at it and afterwards whilst you're completed. Workout is a great stress reliever too, and in case you recognize something approximately pressure, that it's far one of the body's biggest energy sappers. Tip number 4, don't be afraid to mix it up. Like something this is completed over and over again, exercising can turn out to be mundane. While you get bored with exercising, you're less probable to maintain at it. To maintain from getting tired of your workout recurring, change it. In case you're bored with strolling, strive cycling. In case you're into weightlifting, strive alternating this with cardiovascular exercises at some stage in the week. Pass bowling or play a game of tennis occasionally, and in case you discover you revel in these types of sports, be part of a crew. Tip number 5, always begin by way of warming up. Irrespective of the sort of workout you pick, it is very critical which you start every consultation with the aid of warming up your muscular tissues. Stretching facilitates prevent harm to muscular tissues, and it receives your blood flowing. It gets your coronary heart pumping too. Simply 5 minutes is all it takes to get your workout consultation off to an excellent begin.